Yat shik doshitane she Danielle Grajinisha beat Batotni Nishle Torachitni Bashas Chain. Hello my friends, my family and my people. My name is Danielle Grays. I am the Deer Spring clan, born for the Bitterwater clan. Today I'll be making sumac soup. In Navajo that is called Chiitchin. Chit comes from the Chiit, which is red, and chin comes from Honishchin for smell. First, we will add 1.5 cups of Chiitchin berries to 3 cups of water in a pot, and we are going to allow this to boil for 20 minutes. The reason why we boil our Chiitchin berries is to soften the berry and the seed. Our next step is going to be grinding the berries. I'll be using a corn grinder today. You can use a blender or a coffee grinder, whichever you have available to you. We have just completed grinding all of our Chiitchin berries, and our next step is going to be adding 8 cups of water to our mixture. After we've added our water, we are going to strain the mixture. We're going to try to get all of the seeds out, as well as the skin. I'm going to take 2 cups of the Chiitchin mixture and set it aside. This will actually be used with some flour to make the thickener. So the 2 cups. And now I am going to put this mixture back on the oven, and we are going to heat it up. The mixture that's heating up right now, we are going to add 1/2 cup of sugar. In the mixture we have on the side, we are going to add 1 cup of flour. You can actually add more or less sugar. However, I do not like my Chiitchin too sweet.